Hey everyone, welcome to what I hope will be the first of many monthly, what I'm calling monthly member videos, where I'm going to give you an update on what's to come over the next 4 weeks. Also, I've got some exciting news to give you in terms of a giveaway this month, and I want to call out and recognize some of the real regular contributors and new friends that we've made over the month of November as well. So without further ado, I want to announce something exciting for Christmas time. And as you can tell, I'm in my study at home and I've got the Christmas lights on also outside, if you could see them. It looks great. But I met a drinkware and coolerware company at a boat show recently here in Sydney called Kodiak Coolers. And they wanted to jump on board and do a Christmas giveaway with We Love Boating, which I'm thrilled to be able to tell you about. And so what does it all mean? Well, what it means is for the 4 weeks of December, every week when we post a video, I'm going to be giving you the chance to win one of their great cooler drinkware products. They've got a great range from tumblers to small to large keep cups to the really big water jugger things. I don't know what you call them, but they're great in all sorts of colors. And what I'm going to encourage you to do to win one of these is when I post my weekly video, drop a comment. You can either just say, "Hi Scott," or something about the video. I'll leave that up to you. But to enter the draw, you need to drop a comment for that week's video. And at the end of the week or the day before the next video, I'll look at all of the people who commented and I'll draw a name out. And I'll give you a 100% discount token to go onto Kodiak's website and you can order your own cooler and color of your choice from their drinkware range. I think that's really cool, and I wanted to do something to give back to you because of all the support that you've given me this year. All right, so let's put that to the side. Thank you, Kodiak, and let's talk about which boats we're going to be looking at in the month of December. So the first of those boats is a boat that I saw way back in May at the Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show on the Gold Coast, which is a Horizon RP 100, a 100-foot super yacht with that raised pilot house. A really sleek looking classic style of super yacht boat. I really like these because they've got kind of a traditional interior, that raised pilot house, great external spaces, and of course at 100 feet, there's lots to explore in terms of lower deck accommodation, crew areas, and an awesome engine room. So that's the first video you'll see in a couple of days' time. The second video at the other end of the scale in terms of size is a boat that I saw about 2 months ago. I was invited out by an Italian company who are bringing these boats in Australia now. And it's an awesome 8.5 meter, or I think that's about 32 feet or 28 feet. It's called a Cantieri Mimi Lebecchio 8.5. I hope I got that pronunciation right. But what I love about this boat, it is a beautiful looking boat. Perfect as a day boat, a little weekender. My wife and I were fortunate enough, independent of meeting these great people, we were fortunate enough to spend about 4 hours on one of these recently off the Amalfi Coast, and it was a really fun afternoon. They're a beautiful looking boat, and I reckon you'll enjoy the walkthrough. Not the biggest boat we've ever toured, but a real eye catcher. And at the recent Sydney International Boat Show, there were a lot of people walking and stopping and looking and taking photos and enjoying the boat. So I think you'll enjoy that tour. Before jumping onto the third boat for December, I just want to call out and recognise those people who routinely tune in to watch all my videos and always drop a comment, and I've got to know a little bit over the past year or 2 years. But I thought it was time to say thank you to those handful of people in particular who are the most frequent commenters. And the most frequent commenters in November are the ones up on the screen here. So it's Rex Payne, Amanda Portello. Amanda, I've got a trawler yacht for you coming up in December I know that you'll love. It's Philip. It's Extraordinary Horizons from the US. I wish I knew your first name. Hopefully you can tell me that soon. And Ashley Ware, who's an Australian but living outside of Australia, I believe in Thailand. So look, we've got viewers all over the world, And as we go along, I want to take time to recognize and say hi to all of those people, because it does feel like, you know, a little bit of a community, a little bit of a family that we're building here. So thanks to all those regular commenters. And remember, comment on all my December videos to try to win one of those Kodiak drinkware products. Okay, the third boat I'm going to show you in December is a new offering from Schaefer, the Brazilian builder. We've seen some of their boats before, like the V44. They make great day boats for those big side opening decks. But the one you're going to see in 3 weeks' time is the Schaefer 380. And it's a little bit of hybrid. When I did the tour at the Sydney Boat Show, it reminded me in some aspects of a sports yacht, in some other aspects of a day boat. It's a really nice boat, lots of open deck space, like all the Schaefer boats of that size at 38 feet rather. But a really nice offering, and I think you'll enjoy that too. If you like a bit of everything, the Schaefer 380 has got you covered. Before moving on to the very last boat, I won't tease you with that for too long, but I do want to call out and say hi to some special friends that I met through the channel who left their first comments in the month of November from all different parts of the world. I've got viewers and people who've commented quite frequently now from all over the world: America, Canada, China, Brazil, Russia, Japan, all sorts of places. But I want to pay special mention to someone who goes by the name of FlipFlop64, who joined us from Belgium. FlipFlop, say hello, let us know your name. 3 people who joined us from the US for the first time and left a comment: Wayne Silver, Extraordinary Horizons, who left 2 comments, and Callie Mark from California, of course, who joined us from the States. And lastly, Frank Cherry, who joined in from Thailand. I think I've got a couple of other viewers who regularly say hi from Thailand. So if you're watching from another country, leave a comment. If it's not in English, I can translate it. Please say hi. I love hearing from people from all over the world. It gives me a real buzz to know where you're watching from, and I'll make sure to call you out in the December videos that we'll wrap up at the end of the month, and you'll go into that draw to win a chance for one of those 4 Kodiak coolers as well. Okay, last but definitely not least is our 4th boat for the December, and those people that like a trawler style long range boat, I've got a Beneteau Swift trawler for you. I toured this one about a month ago at the Sydney International Boat Show, and what really struck me about this boat was just how much boat you got for the money that they're asking for. I think Beneteau really do a great job at making boats. They're certainly not cheap boats, but in terms of how they stack up against other boats in their classes, I think they represent really, really good value for money. And meeting and working with the Beneteau guys on the day, they were just super, super friendly, really accommodating, and hopefully more Beneteau boats in the future. So look out for that one. I know Amanda, you'll be pleased to see another trawler yacht on the channel. But that's it. I hope you've been enjoying the channel up until now. As you can see, we're getting ready for Christmas here in a few weeks' time. I've got 2 more weeks of work before I can put my feet up for 2025 and have a break. But I've really enjoyed the year so far. Please leave a comment in December. I want to give away these drinkwares from Kodiak, and I hope you really enjoy the 4 videos that we've got lined up. And if you liked this video and this format, then leave me a comment too. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, great to see you all, and I'll talk to you soon.